Hello, today I'd like to explain to you a problem on our campus and how it can be easily fixed.
With such a large student body, consisting of over 25,000 undergraduates alone, as well as administrators and faculty, the University of Michigan should be expected to consume a large amount of paper. But you are probably unaware that the University of Michigan uses 30 million sheets of paper every year, which translates to about 2,700 trees.
Deforestation accounts for more emissions that cause climate change than our entire global transportation system does. Saving 1 pound, approximately 111 sheets of paper, prevents over 4 pounds of carbon dioxide from being emitted into the atmosphere.
But here's the problem. I can almost guarantee, no matter how good you thought that term paper was, your professor did not frame it. And while our university has a strong movement for recycling, we still only have a 33% recycling rate, meaning that roughly 2 million sheets of paper a year are being thrown away.
One of the main printing centers on campus, and therefore one of the prime examples of this wastefulness, is Shapiro Undergraduate Library. All of this paper you see up here is the leftover paper we collected from Shapiro for just 2 days. There are roughly 1,000 sheets of paper in this pile, which is more paper than each LS&A student is allotted per semester, and half of this is equal to about 3/5 of a tree.
Now, many of you know of a little organization here at Michigan called Planet Blue, which leads many of the recycling projects that are concerned with helping U of M go green. The first step to solving our problem is talking with Planet Blue about forming a group to cut down on paper consumption and move towards our ultimate goal of a paperless campus. We need this group to maintain our project's efforts.
Our newly formed group will approach department heads as well as individual teachers to ask that they move towards using the C-Tools Dropbox as a main resource so that syllabi, homework, and term papers do not need to be printed at all, to help us move towards our first goal of cutting campus paper consumption in half.
By having the paper consumption, we will be saving the university about $73,500 every year. With Planet Blue and the technology support on campus, we want to maintain record of the printing consumption and evaluate if our efforts are making a difference.
We need to shift from just thinking about the problem to acting on the problem in order to make our campus the best it can be. Go green and go blue!